2019 Subaru WRX high idle after fresh engine rebuild. If you guys know that all your vacuum lines and everything like that is correct, like I do, here I'll show you guys real quick. This is what the high idle is doing. And there's a difference of a high idle. Let me get that. There's a difference of a high idle in the first 30 seconds, and then when it goes down afterwards. This one's not going down whatsoever. It'll just stay like this. So let me show you how to fix that real quick. It's actually really simple, and especially if you've had the battery disconnected and all that stuff. All you're gonna do is take off this, all you're gonna do is take off this negative right here. And now, just wait 10 seconds. Then we're gonna put the key back in the ignition, wait 15 seconds, and then we're gonna reinitialize the throttle body. All right, then we put this back on. Da-da-da-da. All right, now back in the car. And again, you're gonna have a little bit of a high idle for the first 30 seconds. But key in, 15 seconds, you're gonna hear some things moving around, right? Wait about 10 more seconds. I like to turn it off and then turn it back on one more time. And now watch. The idle's not going to be up at 2K. I'd say this is a pretty normal idle for the first 30 seconds. This is a cold startup, guys. It's about 50 degrees outside right now, so that part's pretty normal. But you'll see what I mean here in a second. It'll start dropping. Give it 30 seconds in total. That. But before it was up, it was pinned around like 2K, right? So watch, the car just hit that 30-second mark, and now it's going to start adjusting. And that's all off the throttle body relearn, guys. So if your WRX STI is running pretty high after you put everything back together, just relearn the throttle body like that. Super quick, super simple. Obviously, you have to verify all the vacuum lines are good and you don't have anything wrong. But that's where it should idle at, right about 950. So hope this video helps you guys. Drop me a question in the comments, or whatever you guys want to in the comments. And yeah, until next time, later. Real quick, guys, a few minutes has lapsed. Looking good, running good. Brand new short block. If you guys are ever in need of Subaru services in the Las Vegas area, I'm your guy. I do these all month long, just Subaru after Subaru. So this one's a clean one too, but this one's done, and another one coming in.